stuck on the blade because it bites you in the face. Here, chop him, Chopper. Watch that other one. He's still alive, I think. Perfect.
Good shot.
Perfect. That's about like me.
Its tail's wiggling around.
The rock case got a good case.
Gonna miss.
Don't.
Damn, old big ass. Yeah!
Oh.
Oh, shit.
What are you going to do?
Oh, yeah, butter.
Oh, yeah, butter.
Just don't hit his foot.
Don't hit your foot.
Line him up.
He's pretty
Yeah, he's toast.
finished.
That one's tail is still going.
Finish him.
At the zoo.
One more up there on the hill. Hurry.
When the horseman died at the zoo, we all had to cut their heads off.
Chop his head off.
He's being real still for you.
Hold on.
Ooh, he's coming back alive. Hayden's waiting for pace.
And he accidentally lets go
I
and chops
smoked him.
David.
Yeah, you did.
Boy, my boy has that. And
That
it's
not
two
cute,
pieces.
though, Dave.
Hold on, David. Hold on.
His that long.
Hold on. Hold on, David.
Just stick your finger in there.
Them suckers put off a smell, don't they?
No, butter. Ooh, smell like a dead dog.
Mama, that's probably the dead fish in that
he does
trap.
stink.
Or the dead
Dead snake.
baby ducks surrounding the area.
That's a snake trap.
Death trap.
Yeah, we just got death all around.
Chop his head.
All the
Hayden.
sun
Chop his
side.
head off.
Get in, butter.
Almost. Oh, he's moving. He's coming around. You better hurry up.
Watch him.
Ah.
Pretty sure he's gone.
Line him up, David.
Line them up.
Line him up, David.
Let me line him up for
Oh.
you, Mom.
Line him up, David.
Gag.